सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। विद्यानामनरस्य रूपमधिकं प्रच्छन्नगुप्तं धनं विद्या भोगकरी यशस्सुखकरी विद्या गुरूणां गुरुः विद्या बन्धुजनो विदेशगमने विद्या परा देवता विद्या राजसुपूजिता न तु धनं विद्या विहीनः पशुः। नमस्कार, स्वागतम्। मन्ये गतकक्षायां कतमः श्लोकः? चतुर्विंशः श्लोकः पठितः अस्माभिः। कक्षा संख्या वर्तते चतुर्नवत्युत्तरचतुश्शततमी 494th क्लास्। अस्यां कक्षायां सुभाषितानि पठ्यमानानि सन्ति। भर्तृहरि महाकवेः नीतिशतकात् 50 श्लोकाः संगृहीताः सन्ति। तेषु 50 श्लोकेषु एतावत्पर्यन्तं चतुर्विंशतिः श्लोकाः पठिताः सन्ति। चतुर्विंश श्लोकस्य अभ्यासः, तत्र निदर्शनम् अभ्यासः, एतद्वयमपि अवशेषमस्ति। श्रीनिवास, व्याकरणम् इदानीं पठतु। कवीश्वराः सवर्णदीर्घसन्धि नास्ति अपि दीर्घसन्धि सन्धिद्वयं समासचतुष्टयं रससिद्धाः
रसेषु सिद्धाः रससिद्धाः सप्तमी तत्पुरुषसमासः रसैः सिद्धाः रससिद्धाः तृतीय तत्पुरुषः।
Yeah, both can be there. Yes, we are interpreting now. One rasa is kavya rasa, another rasa is parada, the mercury. So those people who are experts in and rasa also is interpreted as Vedanta wise raso vaisaha, that is there. So that is also there. So siddhaha rasaha shrungaradihi pakshe paradaha yeshamti rasasiddhaha yadva brahma vedinaha raso vaisaha iti shrutehe tatra asti khalu. Yadva rase siddhaha pakshe siddha paradaha yesham yashaha kaya tatra paradopi, they say paradopi shariram ajaramaram kurute iti. Parada, mercury also makes one live long if taken in correct proportion. So that is why rasa siddhaha, it is so there is a slesha on the word rasa here. Rasa is kavya rasa, that mercury, and also brahma rasa, brahmananda rasa, that is raso vaisaha, that is. So rasa siddhaha. So in all the three aspects, experts in these rasas, for them there is no death either way, anyway you. So kavishwaraha
kavayascha te ishwarascha kavishwaraha visheshana upapada karmadhara
visheshana uttarapada, not kavayaha te ishwarascha. So ishwara shabda is visheshana uttarapada. Kavi shabdaha tatra vishesha shabdaha asti. एतस्य विशेष्य शब्दस्य विशेषण पदमस्ति उत्तरभागे अस्ति, उत्तरस्मिन् ईश्वराः. So विशेषण उ means उत्तरपद कर्मधारय. It can also be षष्ठी तत्पुरुष कवीनाम ईश्वराः. कवीनाम ईश्वराः, the lords among the poets. यशक्काये
यशः एव कायः यशः कायः तस्मिन्
avadharana purvapada karmada. Avadharana means conformity. Now it is yasha eva. Eva shabda shows emphasis, emphatic. So that is called avadharana. Avadharana purvapada karmadharaya samasa. Yasha eva kayaha. Fame itself is the body. Fame body. Fame itself is the body. Yasha eva kayaha. Yasha kayaha. Tasmin yasha kaye. So in that body of fame, jara maranajam.
Jara cha maranam cha jara marane
Vipadada.
Jara maranabhyam jayate iti jara maranajam tritiya tattva.
So in the first analysis of this, jara cha maranam cha jara marane. So jara old age, marana is death. So when we put together, so marane, so it takes, and then jara maranabhyam jayate iti jara maranajam. What is born because of jara, old age and marana, that is the fear. Oh, so samasa samapta krudantaha siddhaha
Siddhiti dhatu
ktantam siddhyati siddhyataha siddhyanti iti. To accomplish. Siddha means to accomplish. Like from this word only you get siddha, ktin, siddhihi, siddhi. Ashtasiddhayah yoga shastre tatra anima, lagima, garima, ishit, mahima, ishitvam, vashitvam, prakamya, etc. Ishvaraha. Isha Aishwarye is there, is the dhatu, which means to command over. Aishwarya, Isha. Varach. Ishate iti Ishvaraha. Now this Isha dhatu is Adadigana, second conjugation. Ishte, Ishate, Ishate. Ishte, Ishate, Ishate. This is Adadigana, second conjugation like Asti, Staha Santi, but this is Atmanipada. This is Atmanipada. So Ishte, Ishate, Ishate, Ishishe, Ishate, Ishidve, Ishidve. Then when it comes to Uttama Purusha, Ishe, Ishvahe, Ishmahe. Ishe, Aham Ishe, I lord over. Vayam Ishmahe, we lord over. So Ishvaraha, Ishte, Lord rules over. So that is how, please look into the Dhatu Manjari. Dhatu Manjaryam Etani Kriyapadani Sarvani api Prayah Dattani Santi. Then we have Bhayam Srinivas.
Jara maranajam.
Yeah, Jara Maranajam.
Janiti dhatu da pratyaya. Jara maranabhyam jayate iti jara maranajam.
Jan Dhatu is very popular. This is fourth class. Jan Jayate, Jayate, Na Jayate, Mriyate, Va Kadachit, etc. So this must be studied in detail. Jayate, Jayate, Jayante. Jayase, Jayate, Jayadhve, Jaye, Jayavahe, Jayamahe iti Navarupani tatra Trishu Purusheshu. Idanim Bhayam.
Bhi iti dhatu acha.
Bhi, yes. Bibhe, this is the third conjugation. Bibheti, bibitaha, etc. It goes. Bibheti, bibitaha, bibyati. Bibitaha also. There are two forms. Bibheti, bibitaha, bibhitaha, bibyati. Bibheshi, bibitaha or bibithaha. Then bibita or bibita. Uttama Purusha, bibemi, bibhemi, bibhivaha or bibhivaha, bibhimaha or bibhimaha. So this also has to be looked into, Srinivas. Then we have Chandas, as usual, Anustup, Sukrutinah, Kshamyatam, Taditanta, Srinivas. Sukrut, in. Sukrutam asya asti iti sukrutin, that is how it is, Taditanta. This person has the sukruta merit, therefore the sukrutin innanta. Chandaha anustup lakshanam prathama slokasya vivarana avasare purvameva dattam asti. Idanim koshaha asmakam vishesha patanam asti koshasya patatu sukruti punyavan dhanyaha iti त्रीणि पर्याय पदानि अत्र दत्तानि सन्ति. Sukrutam asya asti. Already I think it is given. No? Yeah, it is there. Above, just now above. Sukruti. Sukrutam asya asti iti. Sukrutin. So this person has a merit, so he is called Sukrutin. Then Punyavan. Punyam, same way. Punyam asya asti iti. Punyavan. Matup, this is another pratyaya called Matup. Punyam asya asti iti punyavan. Dhanam asya asti iti dhanavan. Like that. So that is a tadita pratyaya added, but not given here. I think we came across that. Matup. In possessive sense, we use that. Dhanavat, buddhimat, vat, vidyavan, dhanavan, buddhiman. Buddhimat becomes buddhiman. So there. Dhanya, Srinivas. Then this is explained as dhanam labdha. I don't know. That is one interpretation. Dhanam, dhanya hai dhanam labdha. Dhana ganam labdha. Labdha ityetasmin arte. Dhanya is to be understood. Labdha iti etasmin arte. Dhanya means blessed fellow. Dhanam labdha. Labdha. Dhana ganam labdha. Labdha iti etasmin arte. What is obtained? In that sense, dhanya. Krutartha, dhanya. What is obtained? One who has realized, or got what is it. So, labdha iti dhana ganam labdha. Labdha iti arte dhanya. Asmin arte yat pratyaya bhavati. There is a yat pratyaya. So, dhanya is explained like that. Then we move on to next page. Rasaha. Shrungaradau. There is nothing here. Rasaha. Rasaha can be explained. Rasyate asvadyate iti rasaha. What is enjoyed? So what is enjoyed? Like there is I was telling you last class, rasa theory is there. Rasa Siddhanta propounded by Bharata Muni in Natya Shastra. So that rasa theory is very popular of Bharatas. So what is rasa realization? How do the Prekshaka Gana realize the Hasya rasa, Srungara rasa, Karuna rasa? When we are watching a film or Nataka, we become a part of the drama or part of the cinema. In the process, what happens if you are involved totally? If there is a Karuna rasa going on, depiction, you feel as if you are suffering, not the hero. Seeing the hero suffering, you empathize. It is not sympathy, empathizing. When you empathize yourself with the character, when you identify yourself with the character, that means you are enjoying the sequence, that situation very well. You are involving yourself you are putting yourself in the shoes of the actor, and thereby realizing the rasa. That is called rasa aswadana. For that he gives, there is one famous quotation, vibhava anubhava pari sanchari bhava sanyogat rasa nishpatti, he says. So there are things which are supposed to be. So the dramatist, Nataka Karta, he uses the platform in such a way with music and acting and abhinaya and several other factors. The rasa in you is aroused and you begin to feel that feeling, that experiencing of a particular sentiment is called rasaswadana. If there is a love scene going on, then all enjoy, irrespective of age. When there is a Veera Rasa shown, hero hitting the villain on the screen, especially in Indian movie, of course this is there in every cinema. Heroism is there in Western movies also. So, sometimes the audience is so identified with the hero that he hits the front fellow. The front fellow will take the punch of that is too much of involvement. So that is called rasa. We have already seen rasas are 8. Further they are called 9, and further they are added up to 10 also. Vatsalya rasa is also later on added. So that is rasyate. Now the point is, what is rasas vitpatti? Rasyate asvadyate iti rasaha. What is enjoyed? And what is it, if you talk in terms of psychology, it is a psychological thing, psychological enjoyment. It is a mental enjoyment. Rasa is not something, which is physical. This is not a physical pleasure. Rasa is not a physical pleasure. It is purely mental pleasure. So that is rasa. Srungaradu. Srungaradu means Srungara, Hasya, Karuna, Veera, Raudra, Bhayanaka, all those things. Some fellows, some people like to get horrified. They want to see horrifying movies. So some want to see, different type of, so all rasas are there for all types of people. So what does it prove? Men do not all the time want to see one rasa there. They don't want only one rasa. They want all the rasas. Because these 8 rasas basically are there in the human brain. No human being is always wanting to see only love scenes in a cinema or a drama. Nobody wants to see only fighting. They also want hasya rasa. And that is why our comedians are famous in Telugu. We have so many number of comedians compared to Hindi, Bollywood. Our Tollywood has a number of comedians because hasya rasa portion is there. So everybody wants to laugh and enjoy. So the writer has to make one rasa dominant rasa, sthayi. Angi rasa and anga rasa, they say. So a cinema will have one dominant rasa, other rasas will be floating. So one romantic cinema is there. Romance is the main theme, main rasa. Heroism will be there, comedy will be there, like that. So rasa, what is rasa? Srungaradu. Then it is also Vishay. Visha is here Srungaradu. No, Vishay only it is. I don't know because this is quoted from somewhere, not Amarakosha, so I could not check it. Visha means here water also. Visha has a meaning, Srinivas, water also. So, Vishay or poison also. It is called a vegetable poison or water, Visha. It is given like that. So, Srungaradi, Visha. Then Virya. Virya means, virility, manliness. Parada. Parada means mercury. What we have at length, Brahma Varchasi. And also in Brahma Varchas, Brahmacharya. So, in this sense, this word is supposed to be used. And then we have Retaha, semen. Rasa is also used. Retaha, Retas, Aswadane, Retasi, Aswadane, Hemni. Hemni here is not gold but a kind of resin, gum. Heman Shabda. Heman also means gold but also gum. But what is intended, we do not know here. I think gum only, rasa is, because gum, the rubber plants have fluid. You have seen rubber plants, how rubber plants give out fluid, through that they make the resin. So that is one thing. Hemni can be that. And then we have Niryasa. Niryasa is gum. If you take this Hemni as gold, then Niryasa should be taken as rubber, gum. In these senses, Niryase Amruta Shabdayoho Rasaha and Amruta Shabda also. Srinivas. In all these words, the word rasa is to be understood, they say. Avidha kosha. From kosha is mentioned here, avidha kosha. There was no need to give so many paryaya padas. Anyway, bhayam. Bhitir bhihi sadhvasam bhayam iti amarakosha. This is a standard most. Now we go with bhayam. Bibheti asyaha iti bhitihi. Or for bhiti, bhayam and bihi, one vyutpatti is there, only one, Srinivas. For all the three, only one. Bibheti asyaha iti bhitihi. One is afraid from this. Bhischa, also it means bhi. Bhi means fear. Bibheti asmaditi bhayam. So there are two ways it is interpreted. Bibheti means one is afraid. Asyaha, of this feminine gender. Asyaha. Iti bhitihi. Because bhiti shabda is ikaranta strilinga shabda. You look there. Bhitihi is like mati shabda. So bibheti asyaha iti bhitihi. Same vyutpatti. Bibheti asmat iti bhayam. One who is afraid of this, scared of this. So this way, or simply bhischa, and also bhihi means terror or the fear. Biveti asmaditi biveti asyaha iti bhitihi bhihi cha. Nothing more than that, Srinivas. And then sadhvasam. Sadhvasam is there. Now, this is explained, this word, Srinivas, sadhun asyati. Sadhun asyati, one who troubles the sadhus, or good people. Sadhun asyati iti sadhvasam. So, it is something like a terror or fear created by the Rakshasas with regard to the Rishis. Rishigana. Sadhun asyati iti sadhvasam. That is how it is. Sadhun asyati iti asa kshepane. I am just referring it to this, like in Ramayana and Mahabharata stories. Whenever the Rishigana begin to perform some yajna, who come there to disturb? Asuras. So sadhun asyati. So the troubling the sadhugana is called also a kind of terror or fear, scare. Then bhayam is already, we have done it. Bhayam bibheti iti. There is one more extra word here which is not covered, Srinivas, which is called daraha. Also means bhayam, daraha. Dhiryate asmaditi daraha. So one is scared of this. That is how it is explained. Okay, then we go on to Anushtup Vritta Vishaye Vayam Janimaha Chaturvimshah Abhyasa Idanim Prarvate Padachedam Puret.
Jayantite Sukutinaha Rasasiddhaha Kavishwaraha Nasti Vesham Yashaha Kaye Jara Marana Jam Bhayam.
Yeah, that you have done. Dvitiyamshaha.
पुल्लिंग प्रथम बहुवचन.
यथा निर्दिशम शब्द रूपानि संकलय. पुल्लिंग प्रथम बहुवचन पदानि त्रीणि. Find out what are they.
सुकृतिनः प्रसिद्धाः कवीश्वराः.
What happened?
Yeah, the latter Prathama Purusha Bahuvachana. जयन्ति
या ते नो श्रीनिवास पुल्लिंग प्रथमा बहुवचनानि
सुकृतिनः सिद्धाः
सुकृतिना ते इज ऑल्सो ते शुड ऑल्सो सह तौ ते पुल्लिंग सर्वनाम शब्द ते सुकृतिनः रससिद्धाः कवीश्वराः दैट्स इट how many has given 3 only okay you can then lat prathama purusha bahuvachanam jayanti is one but I don't think the second one is there jayanti lat prathama purusha bahuvachanam only one there is ekameva tatra kriyapadam asti jayanti iti nasti iti ekavachane asti okay forget about next tritiya amsha visheshanani likha रससिद्धाः सुकृतिनः only 2 I think सुकृतिनः रससिद्धाः भयमिति पदस्य किं जरामरणजं भयं विशेषण यस फोर्थ चतुर्थांशः श्लोकाधारेण रिक्तस्थानानि पूर्णं कवीश्वराः डैश डैश च भवन्ति रससिद्धाः च कवीश्वराः सुकृतिनः रससिद्धाश्च भवन्ति then the second part कवीश्वराणां यशक्काये न भय sorry डैश भयं जरामरणजं भयं नास्ति then ते डैश डैश जयन्ति again the same सुकृतिरो सुकृतिनः कवीश्वराः ते सुकृतिनः कवीश्वराः जयन्ति पंचमांशः कोष्टकस्थेन उचितपदेन ओके कवीश्वराः भवन्ति किं भवन्ति विदूषकाः भवन्ति वा पंडिताः भवन्ति रससिद्धाः कवीश्वराः रससिद्धाः भवन्ति जरामरणजं नास्ति भयं नास्ति सुकृतिनः डैश जयन्ति so anybody can do that simple षष्ठः अंशः समीचीनम् असमीचीनं कवीश्वराणां यशः काये भयं भवति समीचीनं कवीश्वराः रससिद्धाः भवन्ति समीचीनं ते कवयः सुकृतिनः सन्ति समीचीनं अत्र एकमेव समीचीनं प्रथमं वाक्यं शेषं समीचीनमेव विग्रहवाक्यानि समासनाम रससिद्धाः
रसेषु सिद्धाः रसैः सिद्धाः
we can take one रसेषु सिद्धाः सप्तमी तत्पुरुष समाह कवीश्वराः
कवयश्चते ईश्वराश्च कवीश्वराः
that is one way of doing then kavinam ishwaraha is also possible kavishu ishwaraha also that is Shashti Tatpurusha and also Saptami Tatpurusha and also Karmadharaya. Karmadharaya. So many, 3 ways of giving the Vigraha Vakya. Yashakkaye Tasmin Yashakkaye Avadharana Purvapada Karmadharaya. Jaramaranajam जरामरणाभ्याम जायते तृतीय तत्पुरुषा द्वंद्व and that is it then next amsha संदेह नाम लेखनम अस्ति कवीश्वराः कवि प्लस ईश्वराः सवर्णदीर्घ नास्ति न अस्ति सवर्णदीर्घ अन्वयं पूर्णम् अन्वय पूर्णम्
ते सुकृतिनः रससिद्धाः कवीश्वराः जयन्ति एषां यशः काये जरामरणजं भयं नास्ति
दशमांशः अनुष्टुप्वृत्ते ज्ञातपूर्वं बहूनि तत्र बहवः श्लोकाः सन्ति यदि एकं श्लोकं स्मरति चेत् भवान् अथवा ये तत्र अस्माकं कक्षाः पश्यन्ति ते अपि जानन्ति बहून् तत्र श्लोकान् गीतायां बहवः श्लोकाः सन्ति रामायणे सन्ति महाभारते सन्ति एकं श्लोकं तत्र सम्यक् स्मृत्वा अत्र लिखन्तु 11 कवीश्वराः किं अनुष्टुप् वर्तते वा श्रीराम राम श्रीराम राम रामेति रामे रमे you have to count it. I am not getting unless it is on paper. Sri Rama Rameti.
Sri Rama Rama Rameti.
How many? Sri Rama Rama Rameti. Okay, 8.
Rame Rame Manorame
8. Okay, it comes. Any sloka, Anushtav 8. Okay. Then what is the Amsha? Kavishwaraha Kidrushaha Bhavanti. Samskute Varnayata. Now I can write this. I thought of writing. Let's read it. Punyavanta
Shungaradi
Raseshu
Paradadishu
Siddhaha
Parangataha Brahma Sakshat Karavantaha Te Prasiddhaha Valmiki Vyasa Kalidasa
Valmiki Vyasa Kalidasa Prabhutayah
Kavishreshthaha Jayanti Etadushanam Kavishwaranam
Kirti Sharire Jaramaranajam Bhayam Naiva Vidyati
Rasasiddhanam Bhautika
Sharire
Eva Jaramaranajam Bhayam Nasti
Yashashari Kim Vaktavyam.
Kavishwaranam Yashah Shariram Nityam Eva Tishtati iti bhavaha.
So the ultimate thing, Kavishwaranam Yashasharire Tishtati.
So
the time?
We have time.
So this may incorporate in the next class. नूतन श्लोकः पंचविंशः श्लोकः पठ्यताम्. This is also Shardulam, so you can.
Satcharita sati priyatama Swami prasadonmukha Snigdham
Mitramavanchaka parijano निष्क्लेशके आकारो रुचिरस्थिरश्च विभवो विद्यावदातं मुखं तुष्टे विष्टपकष्टहारिणी हरौ. No, it's not coming properly. I'm not happy with reading because the unknown poem. तुष्टे विष्टप कष्टहारिणी हरौ संप्राप्यते देहिना.
तुष्टे विष्टप कष्टहारिण हरौ
हारिणी
हरौ
संप्राप्यते देहिना. सूनु सच्चरितः सती प्रियतमा स्वामी प्रसादोन्मुखः स्निग्धं मित्रमवञ्चकः परिजनो निष्क्लेश मनः आकारो रुचिरस्थिरश्च विभवो विद्यावदातं मुखं तुष्टे विष्टपकष्टहारिणी हरौ संप्राप्यते देहिना. Anyway, this is not a very popular one, therefore we are unable to get to tune. There is one patantara here, Srinivas. Tushte Vishtapa Harinishtada Harau. Ishtada Harau. Vishtapa-harini plus Istada-harau. That is popular there. But this book has given the Vishtapa-kasta-harini it is given. Vishtapa-harini-istada-harau. Harini plus Istada-harau. That is popularly there in books. Now let us go to Padacheda Srinivas. Sunuhu Satcharitah Satcharitah Sati Priyatama Swami Prasada Unmukaha Prasada Unmuka Snigdham Mitram Avanchakaha Parijanaha Nishklesha Lesham Manaha Akaraha Ruchiraha Sthiraha cha Vibhavaha Vidyavadatam Vidyavadatam Mukham Tuste Vishtapa Kastaharini Harau Samprapyate Dehina. Padaparichayam Sunuhu Satcharitaha Sati Sati Satyo Satyaha, like Nadi. Priyatama Swami Nakaran Swamin Shabda. This is Swami, Swaminau, Swaminaha, Swaminau, Swaminau, Swaminaha, Swamina, Swamibhyam, Swamibhi, etc. It goes. Then Prasadonmukha over Sigdham Samastam Snigdham Mitram Parijanaha Nishklesha Lesham Manaha Sakara Akaraha. This is Akaraha, but Akaranta Ruchiraha Akaranta Sthiraha Prathama Ekvachan Cha Avyayam Vibhava Vidyavadatam Mukham Akaranta Tuste Visheshana Padam Vishtapa Kastaharini. So this is Vishtapa Kastaharin Shabda. Vishtapa Kastahari, Vishtapa Kastaharinau, Vishtapa Kastaharinaha, Vishtapa Kastaharinam, Harina, Harine, Harinaha, Harinaha, Harini. It is Saptami. Gunin Shabda like. So if you keep Gunin in your mind, Guni, Guninau, Gunina, Gunini, Vishtapa Kastaharini. It is Saptamya. Harau. Hari Shabda like Kavi Shabda, Kavau. Samprapyate.
Karmani lat pratham ekvachana
Samiti upasarga praiti upasarga apiti dhatu. Samprapyate labhyate iti. Dehina.
Dehi shabda nakaranta punna tritiya ekvachana.
Dehi, Dehinau, Dehina. Dehi Nityam. Gita has so many places, Dehin Shabda. Dehino, another sloka. Dehino Asmin Yatha Dehi Kaumaram Yavvanam Jara Tatha Dehantar Praptihi Dhiras Tatrana Muhyati. Dehino Asmin Dehinaha Asmin Dehe Yatha Kaumaram Yavvanam Jara Tatha Asmin Dehe eva Kaumaram Agachati Gachati. Kaumaram Bhavati, Yavanam Bhavati, Jara api Bhavati. Jara Anantaram Punaha Kaumaram. Maranam Marananantaram Kaumaram. Punarapi Jananam, Punarapi Maranam, Punarapi Jananam. Like that. So that is Dehin Shabda Nakaranta. But Akanksha is very big, Srinivas. Why it is made so big? Samprapyate is obtained. What is obtained? Kena samprapyate. By whom is it obtained? By the embodied soul. By the embodied. Dehina, Dehavata. Dehavata Dehina Atmana Samprapyate Labhyate can be obtained. Samprapyate. Kaha Samprapyate, what is obtained, who is obtained?
Sunuhu samprapyate.
It is Kaha, therefore who is obtained, we should say. Who can be obtained? Sunuhu. Maybe from this you get in English sun. Sun is close to this, na? S-O-N, not S-U-N.
Oh.
Sun. Different region people may say son, a Keralite may say son. Son. S-O-N, sun, S-U-N, sun also. So soon, Sunuhu we are saying, the sun. Yes, quite possible. Kidrushaha Sunuhu samprapyate. Such, what type of sun is, what type of sun can be obtained?
Satcharitaha sunuhu samprapyate.
Well behaved, good charactered son may be obtained. Satcharitaha sunuhu samprapyate. Punaha dehina ka samprapyate. Again by the embodied, what is obtainable or obtained?
Dehina sati samprapyate.
Dehina tatra purushena sati, a virtuous wife, sati nama. Sati bharya samprapyate is also obtainable. Kidrushi sati samprapyate. What type of virtuous wife is obtained?
Priyatama sati samprapyate.
Dearest, one's most dear wife can be, virtuous wife can be also obtained. Punaha kaha samprapyate. Again, what can be obtained? Who can be obtained?
Swami samprapyate.
Even a master can also be obtained. Kidrushaha Swami samprapyate. What type of master can be obtained?
Prasadonmukhaha Swami samprapyate.
Prasadonmukhaha Swami samprapyate. Ready to favor. Prasadonmukhaha. Prasadam kartum unmukhaha. Tadrushaha Swami api praptum shakyate. Samprapyate. One may get a very favorable boss. Swami means boss here. A very favorable boss. Whatever you propose, he disposes easily. Such a boss can also be obtained. Punaha kim samprapyate, and what more is obtained? Mitram. Mitram samprapyate. Yes, one can also get a friend. Kidrusham mitram samprapyate. What type of friend can be obtained? Very affectionate. Friend should be affectionate. Loving friend. Snigdha. Very affectionate and loving friend can be also obtained. Punaha kim samprapyate. No, sorry. Kidrushaha parijanaha. Punaha kaha samprapyate. Sorry. Parijanaha. Parijanaha sevakajanaha. Servants can also be obtained. Kidrushaha parijanaha samprapyate. What type of servants can be obtained?
Avanchaka parijanaha samprapyate.
Yeah. Avanchaka. Na vanchakaha avanchakaha. That means very straightforward. Not cheating type. Good servants can also be obtained. Faithful servants, you can say. Avanchakaha, faithful. Then the question.
Punaha kim samprapyate.
Then what can be obtained?
Manaha samprapyate.
Mind also can be obtained. Kidrusham manaha samprapyate. What kind of mind can be obtained?
Nishklesha klesham manaha samprapyate.
Nishklesha klesham manaha samprapyate. Nishklesha lesham, sorry. Nishklesha lesham manaha samprapyate. That mind which is free from all klesha, all trouble, pain, whatever you say. Nishklesha lesham. So totally free from klesha, pain. So mind free from all tensions, all klesha rahitam, klesha lesha rahitam. Not a trace of, klesha means not a trace of pain, not a trace of, what do you call, worry. Chita Chinta, there is a beautiful poem actually. That full poem, there is a slight difference between Chita and Chinta only. Bindu Matra Viseshataha. Chita Chinta Bhinna Bindu Matra Viseshataha. They only dot. Chita Adahati Nirjeevam Chinta Adahati Sajeevam. What more can be said? Chita Dahati Nirjeevam Chinta Adahati Bindu Matra Viseshataha. Only that. That makes all the. So, Lesha means that. Next, Srinivas. Punaha kaha samprapyate vibhava. Oh, no. For that I have to read. Kidrushaha akaraha samprapyate. Even that.
Punaha kaha samprapyate akaraha samprapyate.
Yeah, punaha kaha, yes, akara, personality, form. Punaha kaha samprapyate. Then again what is obtained, can be obtained, akaraha. Tatra Akruti, akara, personality or form can be obtained. Kidrushaha akara samprapya. What type of personality or form can be obtained?
Ruchiraha akara.
Very beautiful, handsome form. One may also get a handsome, attractive personality, etc. Handsome. Then punaha kaha samprapyate, again what is? Vibhava, wealth, prosperity, wealth. Fortune can be also obtained. Kidrushaha vibhavaha samprapyate. What type of wealth, fortune can be obtained? Sthiraha means stable, lasting, not stable, lasting, solid fortune, wealth can also be obtained. Punaha kim samprapyate, again what can be obtained? One may also get a good face. One may also get a face, mukham. Ananam. Kidrusham mukham cha samprapyate. What kind of face can be obtained? Vidyavadatam. Avadatam. Vidyaya avadatam shuddham. Mukham. Vidyaya avadatam. Avada, there is a verb there. We will explain that later. Vidyaya avadatam, vidyavadatam mukham cha samprapyate. So, one may get a face purified by education. Here mukham also means ananam, the mouth, educated. So one may get education. That is, etad sarvam kada samprapyate. All these can be obtained when? When can all this be obtained? That is the condition. Tushte sati samprapyate. Tushte sati, sati saptami. When? Pleased. These can be obtained when pleased. Who? When pleased? Who when pleased? Next comes thing. Kasmin tushte sati samprapyate. Who pleased when these things can be obtained? Harau tushte sati. When Hari, Lord Hari is satisfied, when Lord Hari is pleased, all these things from the bottom to the top can be obtained easily. Harau tushte sati sonuhu samprapyate, satcharitah sonuhu samprapyate, sati bharya samprapyate, priyatama bharya, sati swami prasadonmukah swami samprapyate, snigdham mitram samprapyate, harau tushte sati avanchakah parijanah labhyate, nishklesha lesham manah prapyate, labhyate, ruchirah akarah prapyate, sthirah vibhavah prapyate, vidyavadatam mukham prapyate. Ete sarvepi upari uktaah etani sarvanyapi tatra harau tushte sati eva praptum shakyante. These are all possible to be obtained only when the Lord Hari Vasudeve Bhagavati Bhakti Yoga Prayojite Janayati Ashu Gnanam Vairagyam. So the Bhagavata says, when one begins to have devotion to Vasudeva Krishna, Gnana Vairagya automatically come. So like that, once Hari is pleased, all these things come. It says Bhartru Hari, but the Acharyas have different notation. Hari takes away wealth, Shiva gives the wealth. You know, one guru who interpreted. All the Shiva worshippers are rich people. Hari worshippers are very poor people. Because Hari takes away, you don't, because Vairagya he creates. If you are with wealth, then you will be attached with Maya. So Hari takes away. Harati iti Harihi. Kim harati tatra Mayam harati iti. So Shiva Bola Shankar, na, he doesn't keep anything. See, Hari is a rich man. Srinivasa is a very rich man in Tirupati. It's all ornaments, diamonds he has got. What does Shiva has got? Shiva, whatever he asks, he gives. So Shiva worshippers are very rich people. Vishnu worshippers are very poor people. One Acharya told me this. Anyway, you try yourself. We are stop here, Srinivas. Shubham Bhuyat.